See how the screen is behaving. Having the vertical lines. So when you check up the voltages, everything is active. See that the VGH is active and the VGL2 is active. So the VCOM voltage is also on. So the input voltage, which is 12 volts, is also on. So I realized that one of the cuff is having a problem, and I mean all the voltages of the screen is active, so definitely the screen is working perfectly. The voltages are on, so I check and I realize that it is one of the cuff that is having a problem. So every TV has two sides of the cuff. Either one of the cuff is having 40 or one of the other side of the cuff is having 40. So I wanted to remove one of the side of the cuff and see if it will work. So let's remove one side of the cuff and see. So this is the one side of the cuff, and this is also one side of the cuff. So I've removed one side of the cuff, left only this side of the cuff. So let's on and see. Have you seen that there is no more blinking or whatsoever, screen blinking or whatsoever? So actually the fault was one side of the cuff, and the voltages was also active. So I realized that it could be one side of the cuff. So after removing one side of the cuff, so after removing one side of the cuff, I realized that it was one side of the cuff which was behaving like that. So I mean it done.